Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. This tutorial I will going to show you how to install Helium browser on Windows 11 PC. Helium is a AI focused browser. So I open my browser Chrome, then I search Helium browser and hit enter. After that I go to their official website helium.computer, and now I click on download Helium button, and here it show a pop-up that ask me which version I will download. So I click on x86 64 version. I click on it, and I click on start download button. It will take few seconds to download, so I am waiting. So download is completed. I close the download complete wizard and double click on Helium browser installer. So it create a folder. So Helium browser installation is completed. It go to setup URL. So I config some option. I click on config, click on next, and which search engine I will use. I will use DuckDuckGo. So I click on next, and I click on next. It asks me switch to Helium. I click on no and click on next and click on let's go. After that, when I search this and hit enter, yeah, our YouTube channel is shown. So this is very privacy focused browser. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.